Hi guys, Pete from Outsight Creations here, and today we're going to be looking at the Mevo Plus for wet photo video. The Mevo Plus is a really compact and capable live streaming camera, and if you want to see more photography and videography related videos, please subscribe down below. Like I mentioned in the introduction, the Mevo Plus is really made for live streaming. So it connects to most social media platforms like Twitter, Periscope, Facebook, YouTube and Livestream, and you can do all this straight through your phone. So in terms of using your phone, you have to download the Mevo app, which we found really effective. You can control almost anything through it, so we're going to go through that now. Now the first thing we're going to look at is live editing. Now Mevo are really trying to sell this, and what it does is it gives you a wide angle and you can crop in, and with that crop it kind of makes it look like you've got another camera going on. So at the moment we're on wide, you can see it's pretty almost fish-eyed, and I can tap on my face and rather comically it just zooms in on my face like that. Another thing you can do is pan with the cropped in setting, so I can drag my finger left and right, and you can also make it track your face, so I can move left and right, and that should have been tracking me. And alongside the panning, another thing you can do is zoom, so if I just pull it out like this, it should open up again. Moving on to the camera itself now, and we were pretty impressed. It's got a f2.8 lens, which means it's not bad in low light. I mean, it's not incredible, but it'd be more than enough for your live streaming needs. One thing to bear in mind is it does shoot 4K 30 frames, but you can't live stream in 4K, but it will go to the micro SD in the back. Something that we really like about the Mevo as filmmakers is how much control you have over the camera. So you can adjust things like shutter speed, ISO, and even color profiles. Another thing to keep in mind is you can choose the crop. So you don't always want to be shooting on a really wide fisheye lens. You can choose a few different crops which may feel a bit more personal. One thing to bear in mind is there's a bit of lag in the app, and that's something you've got to expect with live streaming, but I can give you a kind of example of what's going on here. One thing that really impressed us about the Mevo was the audio quality. Now we're going to switch from our normal microphone to the Mevo, and as you can tell, it actually sounds pretty crisp, but not too bad at all. Another thing we really like about the audio settings is the ability to plug in more professional microphones. So we could plug in a shotgun mic or even put it into a mixer, and the app actually has a slider where you can control the audio levels. Battery life on the Mevo Plus is okay. It will last for about an hour when you're live streaming, and if you want a bit more, you can get a Mevo Boost which clips into the bottom and will give you around 10 hours. If you want to record in 4K, the Mevo has to be externally powered like we've got here. And this could be a bit of an issue if you want to be out and about. Overall, we've been really impressed with the Mevo Plus. Because it's so compact and we do a lot of traveling, we could imagine even hiking to the top of a mountain and doing some live streaming there, because you can actually stream through 3G and 4G. And that would be an amazing thing for us and lots of other businesses that are trying to boost their social media presence. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We hope this video is helpful if you're trying to dip your feet into the live streaming world. And if you've got any questions, comment down below and we'll see you next time.